Jerry asked me to sing a particular song, which could fairly be called a war song, all right. In the Gaelic tradition, one of the most celebrated and admired songwriters was a young man from Éamonn Ó Bróithe, and around 1779 he was press ganged into the British Navy, and he saw action as a Marine in a very famous sea battle, the Battle of Fort Royal in the West Indies, where the British fleet under Admiral Rodney defeated the French fleet under Admiral de Grasse. And O'Sullivan, fighting as a Marine, fought in the HMS Formidable, which is right in the centre of the battle. I needn't tell you, an 18th century naval engagement doesn't bear thinking about. Anyway, he composed this song in praise of Admiral Rodney. Give ear, ye British hearts of gold, that e'er disdain to be controlled. Good news to you I will unfold. 'Tis of brave Rodney's glory, who always bore a noble heart, and from his colours ne'er would start, but always took his country's part against each foe who would dare to oppose or blast the bloom of England's rose. So now observe my story. 'Twas in the year of 82, the Frenchmen know full well 'tis true, brave Rodney did their fleet subdue, not far from old Fort Royal. 'Twas early by the morning's light that the proud de Grasse came into sight, and fought brave Rodney to a fright, with colours spread on each masthead, and pendants too, both white and red, a signal for an engagement. Our Admiral then he gave command, that each man should at his station stand, and for the sake of old England we'd show them British valour. And then we the British flag displayed, no tortures could our hearts invade. Both sides began to cannonade, their mighty shot we valued not, for we plied our Irish pills so hot, which put them in confusion. This caused the Frenchmen to combine and draw their shipping in a line, to sink our fleet was their design, but in this they were far mistaken. Broadside for broadside we let fly, till they in thousands bleeding did lie. The seas were all a crimson dye, full deep we stood in human blood, surrounded by a scarlet flood, but still we fought on courageous. And so loud the cannons that the rory echoed around the Indian shore, both ships and rigging suffered sore. We kept such constant fighting. The guns did roar and smoke did rise, till clouds of sulphur veiled the skies, which filled the grass with wild surprise. For Rodney's guns and Paddy's
sons make echo shake where'er they come, for they fear no French nor Spaniard. And from morning's dawn till the fall of night, we have maintained this bloody fight, and been still regardless of their might. We fought like Irish heroes, and though many of our men did bleeding lie upon our decks in agony, we resolved to conquer or to die, to gain this glorious victory, and would sooner suffer to sink or to die than offer to surrender. And so well our quarters we maintained, 5 captured ships we have obtained, and thousands of their men were slain during this hot engagement. Our British metal flew like hail, until at last the French turned tail, threw in their colours and set sail in deep distress, as you may guess. And when they got in readiness, they sailed down to Fort Royal. So may prosperity attend brave Rodney and his Irishmen, and may he never want a friend while he shall reign commander. Success to our Irish officers, seamen bold and jolly tars, who, like the darling sons of Mars, take delight in the fight to vindicate old England's right, and die for Ireland's glory.